Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to fix Gemini send option not working. Open on Google Play Store and click on search option and search Gemini app and find Gemini. Find Gemini app and update your Gemini app if available on Play Store. Then open on setting and scroll down, click on apps option and scroll down, tap on Gemini app and click storage and click on clear data and tap on delete option. Now open on your Gemini app you can see the send option and send option working now. Thanks for watching.